welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a video of my new case I got and showing you it and all that stuff. So if you want to watch this video, keep on watching. If not, then click out this video, and yeah, let's get into the video. Here, I got this in the mail. It's my new case. I'll show you what it looks like. Looks like this, and then I'll go in the back, and that's how it is. And then you can really see the bottom part, and I'll show you what it looks like when I flip it over. It's my MacBook, and then it came with a keyboard. Like, hold on, let me see. It came with a keyboard cover, which is a really good thing, and it was black. And this thing is black, and it's a pyramid, floral pyramid, prism, whatever. Prism, I put pyramid. Prism, which is really got really cool designs on it. And you just take it off. I think it just flips off. You just take it off there and then place it back on there, and I got it off of Amazon for $17.99. I think it is totally worth it, and I'm in love with it. It looks a whole lot better. I had a blue one on here, and this one's very like sturdy, and it's a little better protective on there. The one I had, it was like $10.99, but this one's $17.99 and off for Prime, and I think I got a good deal. I'm in love. And these are called iCaso, by the way, if you're wondering what the case is called. Okay, bye.